It stinks in here, man.
Smells like your breath.
It smells like your life choices.
Oh, that's cute. Coming from Mr. 30 Minutes Late. Remind me who forgets the customer's orders mid-sentence?
Cute coming from the guy who microwaved raw tilapia in the break room. Everyone hates you, bro. Like everyone, bro. Like everyone hates you.
That's cute, Quasimodo. Your hairline was last seen in witness protection.
I'm gonna go track down that smell. It's not receding. It's strategically retreating, and I'm saving up so I can go to Turkey and get it fixed, you asshole.